Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use potato juice for dark circles. First, choose a fresh, organic potato to ensure you get the best quality juice. After selecting your potato, wash it thoroughly and then peel off its skin. Next, grate the potato finely into a bowl. Finally, place the grated potato into a clean, thin cloth and squeeze out all the juice into a small container. This simple preparation sets the stage for an effective natural remedy. Once your potato juice is ready, it's time for application. Take 2 clean cotton pads and fully saturate them with the potato juice. Carefully place 1 pad under each eye, ensuring good contact with the skin. Then, find a comfortable spot to lie down and relax. Allow the potato juice to work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. This quiet time is crucial for the natural compounds to penetrate your skin effectively. Potato juice offers several wonderful benefits for reducing dark circles. It contains natural bleaching agents like catecholase enzymes and vitamin C, which help to lighten the skin gently. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties can significantly reduce any puffiness or swelling around your eyes. For best results, incorporate this natural treatment into your routine 2 to 3 times each week. Consistency is key to achieving a brighter, more refreshed appearance over time. To maximize the effectiveness of this remedy, remember a few important tips. Always prepare fresh potato juice for each application. Do not store and reuse old juice. After the treatment, gently rinse your under eye area with cool water to remove any residue. It is also wise to perform a small patch test on your skin first, perhaps on your forearm, to ensure you have no adverse reactions or sensitivities. Enjoy the natural benefits of this simple, effective solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.